guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make simple Halloween cards. Let's get started. First we need chart paper, color sheets, glue, woolen thread, scissors, fork and black pen. Make a chart paper of 12 into 16 cm in the white paper and fold it half. Attach blue color sheet inside the folded sheet with the help of glue. Make circles of different sizes from violet color sheet and glue them to the blue sheet. Can you guess who are we making? Make circles and horns from white sheet and glue them like this. Draw mouth and eyelids with black pen. Take a fork and wrap it around with indigo colored woolen thread. Take a small thread and tie at the middle of the woolen wrap. Remove it from the fork, cut the folded thread like this. And cut the excess until it becomes like a soft fur ball. So we have made the pom-pom. Attach the pom-pom as nose of the monster. Do you remember him? It's James P. Sullivan from Monsters Inc. Make a hole on the upper sheet as the pom-pom should pop out. Write, "Look who's peeking" on the upper sheet. That's it. On to next. For this, we need chart paper, woolen thread, glue, scissors, black paper and color pencils. Take an orange colored woolen thread and attach it to the chart paper to make a pumpkin. First, make an oval shape with woolen thread and make the sides of the pumpkin. Make the eyes, nose and mouth with the black paper as you wish and attach it to the pumpkin we have made. Next, draw the stem of the pumpkin with green color pencils. Draw some designs on the border. Move on to next. For this, we need chart paper, woolen thread, glue, scissors, black pen and fork. Make pom-pom from black colored woolen thread as we done before. Make a hole in the center of the upper sheet. Glue the pom-pom in the center. Take the black pen and draw spider web. Inside the circle, draw legs and head for the spider. Inside the card, I have written as Happy Halloween around the spider. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Check it out my Instagram ID. Link in the description. See you guys next time. And I forgot to mention Happy Halloween to everyone.